potato cumin yogurt casserole, or cumin winter melon yogurt potato bowl, or cumin Petha Kaddu Aloo Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the raita recipes. If you like the video, we're going to make cumin winter melon potato yogurt casserole. We've taken around 150 grams of hash gourd or winter melon cut into thin long pieces, and around 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into thin long pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic seeds. Sauce the garlic pieces. Put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly sauteing this. And cumin seeds. Salt. Put in the potato and the winter melon. Salt really. With the cumin seeds. Salt to taste. Ready mix. Spoon of chili powder. Salt. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes while sauteing. On sauteing, let the mixture cook. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. And let it cook. Pour in around 100 ml of yogurt. Mix and let it cook for 1 minute in low flame. Cumin winter melon potato yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Today, this is the final cumin winter melon potato yogurt casserole or cumin winter melon potato yogurt stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the winter melon recipes and one of the most delicious of the ashgold recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.